guys, so my daughter pooped on the floor. My wife gave her a shower. Didn't put any clothes on her, just put her on the ground to crawl around. And I tell her all the time, hey, put clothes on her, you know? So today, I even stepped in it. So right now she's sleeping and I'm about to go put poop on her face. I'm a prank her. I'm gonna see her reaction. I'm using all these stuff. I'm gonna mix them up. Already mixed up the poop. It didn't look exactly like this, but it smelled like it. It smelled bad. Right now I'm gonna put some on her lip, on her face. You know, everything in this, it can be eaten, so no worries. Alright guys, let's go. Why you leave the baby naked? Huh? Why do you leave the baby naked?
What are you, Ginger? What are you doing?
Nothing.
What the fuck is that?
What do you mean?
That shit?
Yeah, and I told you, stop leaving her naked after a bath. Stop. What the fuck? Stop leaving her naked after a bath.
How would you do that?
Ew. It's all over me.
Fucking
It's
dickhead.
all over my foot.
The fuck?
It's all over my foot. Then you were gonna clean it up too. Don't touch me. Don't do that.
Fuck.
You're gonna clean it
That
up.
fucking stinks.
Go clean it up. Stop leaving her
Dude.
like that. Go clean it up. Go clean it
Just
up.
put that on my goddamn face.
Go clean it up. Watch it for myself. Go clean it up. It's already gone.
Oh yeah, you wanna fucking put it on me? And you got it on my bed! Get off my bed!
You can put it on my foot, it's fine. Ew! Don't clean it up and stop playing with poop. You're nasty. Yo! No! It's just a prank, you idiot!
No, it ain't no fucking prank. It fucking smells like shit!
It's a prank! See camera there! Look now! See camera there! Camera in the corner!
What the fuck do you put on my face?
Peanut butter and stuff mixed together.
Shit, funny.
And a little bit of shit.
What?
Guys, I got her. Look. She is throwing up. She's throwing up, guys. She really thought it was poop. Oh my god. Ew. Are you really throwing up? She's throwing up, guys. Look. You see this right next to you?
Can you put that on me?
And you woke up? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Stop playing with me. Well, it's on the bed. Gotta clean it up. Stop playing with me. Peanut butter, egg, deodorant.
What?
Body spray. Body wash.
Sounds like body spray.
Smells gross. Yeah, I know. Remember what they used to make them. And a little bit of poop to spice things up. Yeah, boy. Talk to that camera good. It's a prank.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's a prank that caught you well. That's what you get. Yeah, man. Stop playing with me. Alright, guys. Tell her don't play with me. Tell her that. Comment and say don't play with him. You see me? Next time I'm gonna put real poop in it too. Even though I look we put in it. Next time I'm gonna put a lot in it. A lot of poop.
Fucking smell.
I know. I know. If you want to learn to mix poop, think me. I know it smells. I should have cracked that egg and left it out for a whole day. The next time.
Fucking vomit.
Next time I'm gonna get her. Alright guys. Like, share, and subscribe. We out.